So for today, we are comparing Docker and Kubernetes, which is the two essential tools in containerization. So first, in Docker, it focuses on creating, deploying, and managing containers. The pros of it is its simplicity, portability, and it has a great ecosystem. While the cons of it is it has only limited orchestration capabilities. While on Kubernetes, it is an orchestration tool designed for managing containers at scale. The pros of it is it has powerful scaling, automated deployment, and self-healing. While the cons are its complexity and steep learning curve. In comparison, use Docker for development and testing. Use Kubernetes for deploying and scaling containerized applications. And in conclusion, for simple projects, Docker is sufficient. While for enterprise level scaling, Kubernetes is the go-to.